Okay, good. Go ahead.
All right, so here's I'm going to give you a running example, Lindsay. I love to run. I feel like I can come up with a running example for about anything.
She's a beast.
Depending on
$200 in damages to Mr. Murphy's attorney, Mr. Harlan Sanders.
Didn't even stop.
Sanders' client angry.
Did not stop, Eversource. Exit dive.
In their act, yeah.
Yeah, go right back to their act. And DC and I were sitting watching, and he was like, he can't stay in the pocket. He can't stay in the pocket.
Did not stop.
And putting as much down on the house as possible, it gets you closer to having a paid-for house.
Okay.
Red light run.
Julio.
Oh, exit dive.
I mean, our slaves, and to tell us what we need to
Nope.
do. And we ain't having it, so we gone. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, Jesus Christ. Is the Subaru gonna make it? Is the Subaru gonna make it? He does! Oh, he turned from the center lane here. Get off your phone. Really?
The rest of us were eating TV dinners and arguing about communists under our beds while that was happening. This is it. I mean,
That's a good one.
I'm disappointed that my own mother is amongst the people
Whoa,
who
what the
wants
fuck?
to know more about the vaccine.
Rolled through the stop sign.
I was like, no, sir, unfamiliar. And he goes, just to let you know, there's you know, told me something to look out for. Had it.
Hi.
And I came out, and then it was just like.
Did you see me here?
And then I came.
Why?
So here's the deal. They won't.
Pedestrian. That is not a crosswalk, and why'd you let them cross? What are you doing pulling forward? Alright, I'll get this on camera. You can only turn right on red if you're in the right lane. Red. Red light run. Did not stop. No turn on red. I got a left turn. Let's be in the right lane for some reason.
If you ever listen to Ted Nugent, here's another tip from your old Uncle Ted.
Messel left.
Yes, the whole. I've been waiting with. I've been with my fiance for 8 years now, and even before dating, I had become bored with regular.
Propose that compensation to the wife or husband or
red light run up there.
Or an update, I should say, on the measles outbreak from January 1st to October 1st.
Did not stop.
What was the community, something that we're seeing with COVID in cities right now, or were seeing, at least before the vaccine got rolled.
What the frick is that?
Importations of measles cases.
This is the thing everybody's seeing in the news is HB 1701, and that is a bill that would, quote, allow creationism to be taught as a theory of how the earth
straight from the left turn lane
in public school.
And the license plate said "You're weak," which I thought was funny. I mean, yeah, are you really being arrogant?
What the frick?
You can't talk a little shit, right?
I understand that, but when you say either God exists or he doesn't want you to know he exists, that's not correct. It's either...
It is correct, and I've explained it twice. Go back and rewind.
Does he do it again?
Through this. I can't
No, for the main street he stops.
I have a question for you, Matt.
Why is everyone going? Because someone else just did it.
Lay hands.
Happens in Mormonism out here too.
You're right.
The North Haven police officer did not stop on red.
The first time I've heard her voice, we've ever chatted. This is one of the things that's really frustrating about it wasn't happening for a while. That said, FFRF, we report every year 10, 20, 30, sometimes 40 or so.
Seriously hate it. I just think that people are really into it, so I make fun of it. Because what you do as a cop, you see people enjoying shit, and then you fucking shit on it because you're secret game, okay? Raise the stakes. Watching any sport is a hell of a lot more exciting when you got a stake in the game.
Look at that whole big line of cars not moving over. And most of them don't even exit, so don't comment to me, they need the next exit. No, they didn't.
Angry crackhead guy, as he was so messed up on whatever shit he'd taken, I could thankfully run faster than him. He got into my house before he reached.
It took him long enough to realize it's green. Oh, way up there. And that Lexus ran red light.
The vaccine, which Pfizer developed in partnership with the German-based BioNTech, is the first to be authorized for emergency use. To prevent COVID-19.
Man, what the hell's that guy doing?
He hasn't got the vaccine yet.
And that ran red light.
Do the questions here for the week. All right,
you didn't stop.
Listener, responding to me.
Assuming they don't fit that bill. But also, as is the case at the beginning of the show, I want to thank
that was
the
red.
crew for this show.
System.
You didn't stop.
Helicopter.
I don't know about that Nissan driver. Red light run. You didn't stop. Neither did you. Ran right through the stop.
In the universe. Wow. So this process is slow, so Hawking radiation, this evaporation.
Just ran right through the stop sign.
May not even be a planet anymore, and I'm going to circle back, and whether it's negative attention, positive attention, loud attention.
Toyo turd.
Across the frontiers into comradeship and even intimacy. Was it true what the big man had said, that you would have nothing to do with men? I doubted it.
Really?
He seemed open to love and to desire.
exit dive.
Good. Gil pats his nephew on the back. It's okay, Junior. You're off the hook. Run along back to the kitchen.
Exit
Relief
dive.
floods the boy's face and he takes off.
Bond had to remind himself that he had heard its heart pumping in its chest, had heard it breathe, that seen sweat on the grey
Red light
skin.
Run. Straight from the right turn lane. Red. Red light run. Oh, that was right turn from the straight lane. No turn on red. Nissan drivers. Whoa, what the hell's that? He came up through the wrong side of the road. Look at him go. Or are you supposed to pronounce the X, or is the X silent? What was the point of that? To go straight from the left turn lane. You didn't even tap on your brakes once. Hi, do you see me coming? Red light run. Mazda. Red light run. Didn't stop.
But here's that through line, right? It seems like when it comes to
didn't stop
the host chair.
My truck now that I got it back. Okay, here we go. Oh, geez, what do we got?
Really?
How many we got here? How many we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
A few weeks back, in fact, a few weeks back, I called out Matt.
Man saw left and he went up the wrong side of the thing.
Join us for this episode.
Yeah, super excited to be here.
Great. And of course, we welcome back Arden.
Red light run.
Thank you.
Although we might not be able to explain necessarily why or how,
You
they do seem to
didn't
be innately
stop.
part of someone. And
I don't think anyone stopped there. Give you headlight. Why are you stopping? Crack has your soul. I'd rather die. Nope. Nope. Look at him go.
With my grandparents and aunts and uncles, and so
He was just going for a better life.
Oh,
right?
it's the exit dive way up there.
Exactly.
Nope. Red light run.
Companies usually guard their recipes and techniques like state secrets. So the
Red light
write-ups about
run.
this kitchen tour go massively.
Whoa, you went all the way to the left lane.
Watch Fox News, but they've done segments and they'll show up in my YouTube thing.
No turn on red.
One of them was giving his thoughts opposing packing the court, and another one with RBG opposing packing.
No turn on red.
Is this
state as a
No trucks in the left lane. No, 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 you cannot be there. No, 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 you can't be there. U-Haul. Guess they didn't tell you that at the U-Haul office, but you can't be in the left lane. No, no, no. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe and comment below. Who do you think was the worst driver of this video? I think it was the one douchebag that cut me off. I don't know. Well, thank you. Have a great day. Bye.